practice a little bit about the negative indices, you can remember the main rule of this one is the reciprocal. When you want to change from the negative power number become to positive power number, you need to take the reciprocal of the base number 1 over b square like this one. And when you got the fractional like this, you change position between numerator and denominator, you will convert from the negative to positive or to positive to negative of the power number. b to power of n will be here because here is the denominator. I convert this become to the numerator. And for new one, you got numerator and then this will become to the denominator like here. Minus m become to m, minus n become to n. Yes. And about question A is quite easy. The first one you will have 1 over b square, and the second one is 1 over a to power of 5. For question B, you will have the negative sign only apply for the indices of x. So for I keep it unchanged, x to power minus 1 is mean 1 over x by this writing, and y q here, and 4 times y to power of 3 and over x like this one. 7 x to power of negative 3, x to power of negative 3 is 1 over x cubed and multiply y squared. And then you got 7 times y squared divided by x to power of 3. And the last one you got here, I convert from the denominator become to numerator. I will have the opposite side of exponential number. X become to x to power of 2 here. From the denominator and convert that become to the numerator. The same idea with question 2i here. 6 multiply x to power of 7. X to power of negative 7 from denominator, I change this become to the numerator. Question 2, express the following using the positive indices. Okay, question A, x to power of minus 5 is mean 1 over x to power of 5. Change position from denominator become to numerator. Convert from the numerator become to denominator. Numerator, denominator, denominator only m. Because 2 here I keep it unchanged. Negative 4 here apply for only m. So 1 over m to power of 4 is mean 2 to power of m over 4 by this one. Question D, this is 3 and y to power of 7, y to power of 7. Question E, you have 3 is normal, a square is normal, only b to power of minus 3. So I will change this become to bq here. I'm change only this term and then simplify it by rewrite this in form of fractional form. bq will be here. Question F, 4 keep it unchanged, mq is normal, but for the last one you got n to power of 3. 4 times mq and nq like here. Question G, you got 10, you got 1 over x squared and y to power of 5 and z here. 10 times y to power of 5 and z divided by x squared. Question 8, 3, 1 over x to power of 4, 1 over y squared and z to power of 3. So 3 times z cubed and x to power of 4 and y squared here. Question 8, we finish. Question I, you got the term of negative indices is p. So 1 over 3, keep it unchanged. P to power of minus 2, 1 over p squared here. Q, Q, R. Simplify it, Q, Q. Multiply R divided by 3 times p squared. Question J, 1 over 5 is okay, d squared is okay, e to power of minus 4. I have to rewrite it in this form and then simplify it. D squared f to power of 5 and then 5 multiply e to power of 4. Question K, 3 over 8 and u squared v minus 4. Okay, 1 over v minus 6. In this form, w squared 7. 3 u squared w 7 over 8 times v to power of 6. Question K and question L, 2 over 5 b to power of 3, 1 over c to power of 5, and 1 over d square here, and 2bq, and then 5c to power of 5 and d square here. Question L, we done. Question 3, express this following using positive indices. Okay, for this question you can see that you got negative power number for the indices in the denominator position. So I convert from the denominator become to the numerator. I will change sign of the power number. This is a square. From the denominator become to numerator yq. See the same idea, m to power of 7, d 3 is keep it unchanged because 3 here is the numerator position. Minus 5 in the denominator become to numerator, you got b to power 5. And question E, 2b4, d minus 3 in the bottom. At the bottom, I move it to top. dq. Question F, 3 m squared times n to power of 4. Numerator 3 times b4 times a to power of 3 over 3 here. And the next question 8, you got 5 over 2 times 8 to power of 3 and g to power of 3 here. Yeah, that is question 8.